Manifesting riches, practical steps. Manifesting riches is a process of turning dreams into reality. It is an individual's ability to create wealth and abundance in their life. It requires a person to have a clear understanding of their goals and to take practical steps to achieve them. The first step in manifesting riches is to have a clear vision of what you want to achieve. Visualize the life you want and create a picture of it in your mind. This will help you to focus on the end goal and stay motivated. The next step is to set specific goals. Make sure that the goals are achievable and measurable. This will allow you to track your progress and make adjustments if necessary. Having a plan with achievable goals is the key to success. Once you have a plan in place, it is time to take action. Take small steps towards your goals and be consistent. Focus on one goal at a time and don't get overwhelmed. Celebrate small wins and stay motivated. It is also important to be mindful of your thoughts. Negative thoughts can be detrimental to your success. Replace negative thoughts with positive ones and focus on the good. Believe in yourself and your ability to achieve your goals. Manifesting riches requires patience and persistence. It is a process that takes time and dedication. Don't give up if you don't see results right away. Believe in yourself and keep going. Finally, it is important to stay open to new opportunities. Be willing to take risks and try new things. Don't be afraid to take chances and explore new possibilities. This will help you to manifest your dreams into reality.